but it's not possible. Or else in the exam it might be given in terms of mixed fraction, then also you can do it. 451 and the difference between 450 and 550 means 101. Okay, that can also be given. Next is simplify. What is the question? 2 upon 3 into bracket root 2 plus root 6 upon root of 2 plus root 3. Remember, see this root, it is complete over here. Okay, so let's solve. First is what? Rationalize the denominator. We have to always you have to rationalize the denominator. So 2 upon 3 into root 2 plus root 6 upon root of 2 plus root 3 into, how to rationalize? For rationalizing you use this here. This is known as root 3. This is an irrational number and this is a rational number. Whenever you get a combination like this, use the opposite sign. So root of 2 minus root 3 multiplied numerator and denominator. So what it becomes? 2 upon 3 into root of 2 plus root 6 into this as it is root of 2 minus root 3. Now in denominator the whole root 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, right? Now this is what? A plus b into a minus b. So in numerator as it is, in denominator it becomes 3 into root of 4 minus 3, right? Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Why 4 minus 3? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That is 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 3. So what it becomes? 2 upon 3 into root, this is 1, root 2 common from here, root 2 into 1 minus root 3, right? For this into root of 2 into 1 minus root 3 by 2. Now here it should be plus, it should actually. So this final answer you will always have to adjust as per what is given in the options. If in the option only this much is given, then keep it as it is. If this is given, solve this. If something else is given, see here it can be root 2 and root 2 over here. So root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? So 2 into 2 is 4. So it becomes 4 upon 3 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 by 2, right? So this can also be the answer. Basically 4 upon 3 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 by 2. This can also be one of the answers. Check what is given in the options and do it accordingly. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.